M0FXB, welcome to my channel and my videos about HAMSHACK Hotline, and this one is also about a program called MicroSip. So with HAMSHACK Hotline, if you look in the picture here, you can see we're using an SIP phone. It looks like an office phone, and you can also use an app on your phone. I think you can get this on, I know you can get this on iPhone or Apple and Android or iOS, that's what they say, don't they? Android, and it works great. And when you get your what they call a hard phone from HAMSHACK Hotline, they then allow you to use software. So one method of using software is actually on your PC, and that's when we come to this one here. So download this program here called MicroSip. It's a free program. These are the windows that we're using here. And I've just tested it. It works great, and I've been talking to people on HAMSHACK Hotline, which is a link between, it's peer-to-peer, RF links, and much more for the ham radio community. So let's actually go to the app. Just about HAMSHACK Hotline, there is a Facebook page as well. See, there's videos here of me sort of testing this equipment out as well, as you can see here. That's me just testing the equipment out. Okay, and that's what the hard phones look like. So let's go back to the we'll go back to the app. So you download it, you end up with a small little window like this. I know it's small. I'll see if I can make it bigger. Oh, I can. There you go. Don't need it too big, but big enough to see. And if you ever want to make things bigger on your screen, just tap here and go zoom, plus and minus. But anyway, so we're here. It's all working. I can ring up my friend, which I'll do at the end of this. And look, it actually shows a camera here, so I might test that out later, see if the camera would work. But anyway, for now, the first thing you've got to do is add your account. So go like that. I've actually got two accounts here, and so click the one that does work, like so. Now what would happen is that if we didn't have accounts, you would do add account, like so. Okay? So I don't want to go through all that from the, I'd rather show you the settings that I've got. But that's how you can add several accounts. That's my point. You don't have to use just HAMSHACK Hotline. You can add more accounts. HAMSHACK Hotline is a free server provided for you, and you can add other accounts that you pay for, where you can make normal phone calls to people. So we're going to go, let's just choose edit account. That should give us the same details. Now it hasn't got my password, so you're not going to be able to hacking on me. So see, it says voicemail here. I think I've actually got that wrong. I think I should change that to star on HAMSHACK Hotline, star 97. So we'll save that a minute. Oops. Let's make sure we do a star. Okay, save. That's a voicemail. Right, so we'll go back to edit account, so add account, edit account. Okay, so account name's not important, but the servers are. So these are the servers that HAMSHACK Hotline use. So that's that. My username is a phone number that's been assigned to me by HAMSHACK. So again, you've got to apply for that with HAMSHACK, and you do that by going to their help desk here, creating an account, sign in here. So you go to sign in. I've got an account, so I can sign in. And once you've created an account, which is free, you just open a ticket and you just ask for a line request down here. And I'm in the EU, so I go EU line request. Now remember, you have to get the hard phone first before you do the soft phone. So there's a soft phone request there, but EU is the one that I would need. Soft phone EU, and the hard phone would have been a new line request. You get it. It's in this drop down list here. So back to the software. There's the Facebook page there. Back to the software. So if you look here, you've got put in your server. I've put it in here, and I've put it in domain. I've got my phone number given me by HAMSHACK Hotline here. Now the main thing that you need, otherwise it's not going to work, is your password from HAMSHACK Hotline. Then I've got my display name, M0FXB, which doesn't really matter what that is. And then you save, and when it works, you get a green. Look here, you've got a green. Instantly got a green thing here. If not, it'll flash or go red. It'll say it's not working. So now let's try and phone one of my friends. So what we'll try is we'll try Michael in America first, and we are using the HAMSHACK Hotline server. So we'll go 55 And his number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros, and then at the end he's 112, and he's in the USA, and we'll call him. Hopefully you can hear this. He might be busy. Right, what we could do is go to HAMSHACK Hotline. We could go to one of their bridges and put that number in. So go like so. Go to phone book, services, RF links. Hi, Michael. Is that you?
No, this is V3NY.
Oh, hi, V3NY. I rung the wrong number. It's Andreas M0FXB, Southwest UK.
Hi, Andreas. How are you?
I'm really good.
Toronto.
You're obviously on HAMSHACK Hotline.
I am, and that's the number that was ringing just now.
Yeah, cool. I've dialed the wrong number, haven't I? What it is, I'm actually testing. I've got the hard phone. I've got the GroundWire app. I'm actually testing the PC software called MicroSip.
What's it called?
MicroSip, Sierra India Papa.
Oh, okay.
The thing is, I'm making a video doing it because I'm a YouTuber, and so at the moment you're in the video.
Oh, terrific. Okay. Glad it's not a video.
No.
This is one of the unusual times when my SIP phone on HAMSHACK Hotline rang. I didn't recognize the ring.
But I'm really pleased actually to make your contact. Could I ask you a couple of questions about HAMSHACK Hotline?
Sure, although I don't have an extensive background. I'm the Brandmeister Coordinator for Ontario, and the Canadian National Brandmeister Coordinator pressured us all into getting HAMSHACK Hotline in order to have regular conference calls, which
that's interesting.
Well.
Yeah, that's great. And I'm obviously in the UK, and what appeals to me is the fact that it's like almost like a bat phone, quick phone contact for all ham radio operators in the whole world, and that really appealed to me. And obviously, I like the equipment as well, the Cisco type devices, and obviously I can use an app as well on my phone called GroundWire. So I'm finding it a very useful application. Back to you.
Well, so far the utility has been not only the Brandmeister coordinators meetings, but also I have a device that has 2 lines. And the second line I've got connected into the public telephone service, so at least it can serve a dual purpose. And I have a sidecar as well, so I have all of the HAMSHACK Hotline extensions programmed in with a single button dial.
Yeah, and I've got a sidecar as well. Are you using a Cisco type business phone? Which model are you using?
I have the SPA 962.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know that one, but but I mean, in the UK, you can go for a one with a black and white screen for £15, or you could go for a Cisco 525 with a colour screen, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi, and all the rest of it, for about £40. It was actually a very cheap way of connecting into the All-Star system.
Well, it's also a very inexpensive way of connecting into the public telephone system too, if you have a need for multiple lines.
Yeah, I've noticed that as well, that you could just add another server, even with this PC. And I was really surprised this PC works so well. I put in the same usernames and passwords, and it's just worked. You know, I'm on Windows 10. Right, okay, well, I'm really sorry to disturb you. My call sign's Mike 0 Foxtrot X-Ray Bravo, and you'll see this video on my YouTube channel in about 20 minutes.
Okay, well, I look forward to seeing it. Good luck with the project. I'll investigate the MicroSip program. Sounds interesting.
Lovely, thank you. All the best, 7-3. Thank you.
You too.
Cheers. Bye. Well, there you go. Accidental call, but what a lovely call. So we'll just try someone else. I do know the number of this person. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now this is M6 LSJ in Cheddar, where they make cheddar cheese. So we'll click call. See if he answers.
Hello?
M6 LSJ, M0FXB on video.
Oh, M6 LSJ returning back to M0FXB, yes. The sound quality is very good.
Oh, good.
I'm on 525G phone at the moment.
Oh, right, so you're on the ground wire.
Yeah. The
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah, brilliant. I'm just testing it. I actually just rang someone in America.
You want to make otherwise wake up Michael?
Well, I actually I went to ring him. I rang the wrong number,
Oh, dear.
and another HAMSHACK guy answered.
Oh, you got his number, have you?
Yeah, I've got Mike's number. I just dialed it wrong.
Oh.
But what the guy said, because he's linked up in some Brandmeister, I think, repeaters and networks, he said that the reason his group have got it is because they find it a very good way of keeping in contact with each other. You know, just like you and me now, we can just hit the button and start chatting.
Oh, lovely, lovely. That is nice.
And it's
Very
all
good.
hams, yeah. Right, okay, I'm going to end the video. I've done the setup so everyone can see it. I've put the links in for the download of the MicroSip. And yeah, you can use your ground wire, you can use your Cisco SIP type phone. So 73, thanks for the contact.
Yeah, no problem. Them sit there, SJB with.
M0FXB. 73, please like and subscribe my channel. All the best.